Hi guys, so welcome on my channel. And I saw on YouTube some video that by using glue sticks you can actually remove the dents from your car. So here we have a nice Alfa Romeo, but as you can see it has several dents from the past and I would like to rescue it. So I don't know how it will actually end up, but it's quite simple. You need just some glue sticks, approximately 8, but I found not only 6 of them, so I hope that will be enough. Some cleaner, some napkin, and hot air gun, or for example Zippo is enough if it's big enough. So let's go on it. Firstly, you have to apply the napkin with the cleaner, so there will be no remaining oils or no remaining dirtiness on the surface, because at that case it will not hold. So you can see the dent was already been there for a longer time. So I just now clean it up, and just now I'm going to heat the sticks up. Too low temperature. I will try it again. So I prepare the gun more closer to the car, so you can actually see the melting of the plastic, because so far I need to really make it hot. Well, I think that can be enough. So just now I put to the car, but I have to wait until it eventually a little bit harden. That is possible. Oh, so it really is possible. You can see it, that just now I remove it and it's possible. So I already removed that part, and but I need to do this part as well. So before I waited approximately 20 seconds, as you can see from the video. It didn't go well. I push it too gently. So to get good effect, you have to really push it. Maybe I'm removing it much more earlier than I should. So I will try to keep it for a longer time. This actually works. The dent is now a little bit smaller, so I will once more try this one, but I think the bottom side will be better for remove that dent. I don't have experience with such kind of repairs, so that's why I am unable to tell you where to put it. He already changed colors after several seconds. I should wait a little bit more though. It's not already solid. But I think a little bit, just now it's a little bit better, really, it is. So I will try 1 or 2 more rounds. I already have like 10% of the sticks are already gone. I would like to try it just now a little bit different way, because you can see this dent is made from the line, so I would like to just put it into the line now and just pull the line, not pull the area, but just pull the line. But I really have to wait a little bit more. Already begin to be solid. But again, I would like to wait a little bit more. I will move the camera. And again, I can see the improvement. It's already straight here, just the bend is here, so I will put it once more here. I pull a little bit more, and I think I can really solve this problem. And I'm just now using only 3 glue sticks. I'm not using more. Already hardened. Yes, this is a real improvement now. So I'm starting to go to find how to work with it, and I think it's very easy. Maybe it's better that firstly you will try it on some, not on your car, but on some other dent that you will make by yourself. For example, on some plate. The average thickness on this Alfa Romeo car, or any European car, I don't know on American, but any European car, is 0.8 millimeter. So if you will find the plate with similar thickness, and you will try to somehow bend it, fix it, and then you can do things that I did. Again, I see improvement. So you can see just now the remain, and I think it's better just now to make it opposite way, or make it rotate, or somehow to cut the remains of the silicone, because in this case I don't want to use a big area. So just now I just did by hand, but I think it's better not to use big area on this kind of bends. I was stepping forward. Firstly I put here, but then I go this direction, and just now I'm going over there to make it as much flat as possible. So I will remove these trees. Sorry, camera. It's almost flat. I can almost not see the dent. There will be. This is quite small force, but I can really see a lot of improvement over this area. Meanwhile, you were watching, and I will start to work with it. If it's possible. So you can see that there is the plate is moving, but I think probably this dent cannot be repaired by this one. Firstly I have to attach it here, yeah, and just now I removed the paint as well. So this is one of the disadvantages. You can see that I removed the paint, which is no problem. I can repair it, I can fix it, but you shouldn't wait too long time to remove it. It's so sticky that it will actually not help you. But as far as I can tell, it's been a success, because I really didn't believe that this is possible to do with some standard silicone sticks that you can buy in, well, I think over the world, almost anywhere. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe.